let's do lemmatization. Okay, so what lemmatization does is it breaks words into their root form. Okay, so let's say given should be give, and then let's say octopi or octopus should be I don't know, is it you? Let's check it out. Let's see. So I'm going to create uh, a variable called. Let me create this variable e equals to word, a word into brackets went. Okay, so I'm going to lemmatize went. Okay, so I want to find. Okay, so let me just comment this out. Okay, so I'm going to print into brackets. I think there's space, so let me just clear the space. Print to brackets. Let's say e, and then I'm going to type e dot lemmatize. Okay, so e dot lemmatize. So if we should run it, let's see what is the result. Run it again. Okay, equals. Okay, so it went. Okay, so this isn't correct. It's supposed to be go. Okay, so to handle this error, okay, we have to put, since went is a verb, let's put it in quotation comments. So here, and then I'm going to put v. When we run it, we should have go. Okay, we should have go. Okay, so let's try lemmatizing. Let's say an octopi. Okay, so let's say u equals word into brackets octopi. So quotation comments and then octopi. Octopi. Okay. So you're going to limitize u. So print into brackets. Then I'm going to type, let's say, let's do it u equals, and I'm going to bring a comma. Okay, I'm going to put u dot lemmatize into brackets. So let's leave it let's leave this one this way, and then let's run it and see. Okay, so the basic or the root form of octopi is from octopus. Okay, so you can try that for several words, and then let's see. So let's see what we can do now here. Let's say we want to break this text into its basic into the various words. Okay, so what I can do is let me just copy this text, or let me copy this whole. Okay, Control C, and I'm going to make m equals into and then v. Okay, so TextBlob, and then I'll put this here, and then I want to just break it into words. Okay, into the various parts. So we have the method using let's say words. Okay, so it's going to print out each word. So to do that, let's just print into brackets. Then I'm going to type m dot words. Then let's run it and see. Okay, so you can see it has broken this sentence into the various words. Okay, various words. Okay, so let's say we can also do some for let do same for sentences. So let's say let's just copy this, Control C, and then let's paste it here, and then let's add more text. So let's say Python is great. Stop, and let's add simple is better than complex. Okay, so let me just change this variable to y, then I'm put here y, then I'm going to change here to sentence. So let's just type sentences. Then let's run it and see. So you can see it's broken down to sentences. Okay, so this one sentence and then it's broken. There's the other sentence. Okay, so this is called tokenization. So let me just um, add here and then move it up. Tokenization. So tokenization breaks um, the sentence or text into its various parts. So tokenization. Okay, so there's something else we can do here is to find the noun phrase. Okay, so let's say you want to find the noun phrase in the text. So let's say I want to find the noun phrase here. So let me just copy this, Control C. The reason why I'm not typing is just to save us time. Okay, so and I'm just changing the variables so we just know the differences of what we are doing. So so I, and then I'm going to put let's say noun text. I'm going to put I dot noun phrases. Okay, so I dot noun phrases, I dot noun underscore phrases. Okay, so there's going to print out the noun phrases. Okay, so let's wait for it and let's see the output. Okay, so you can see our list of noun phrases. So quick brown fox jumps over lazy dog or cats. Okay, so these are our noun phrases. Okay, so you can use that using the noun phrase method. Okay, so here let's say we want to make something plural. So let me create a variable called animal or animals equals, and I'm going to type TextBlob brackets and quotation comments, and I'm going to type, let's say, cats, um let's say dog, and then let's type goat. Okay, or let me include octopus. So I'm going to create I'm going to into brackets let's say animals dot words dot pluralize. Okay, so let's see the results. The animal is not defined. Okay, so animal, so put s here. Okay, so you can see our cats here become cats, dogs, goats, and then octopods. Okay, some might get octopi, might think it's octopi, but octopi is used. The I is used when you are using Latin words. Okay, so this is correct. Some would be thinking octopi or no. So the plural form of octopus is octopods. Unless it's you are using Latin, then you would have the octopi. Okay, so we have biography.